Assalamu alaikum. This is Aftab Ahmed, your English instructor, and you are watching Elegant English with Aftab. Today, in this lecture, we will learn how to pronounce the exact and correct pronunciation of the names of months. So, let's start. January, not January, January, January. February, not, no, sorry. It's not February, it's February. February. March, not March, it's March. April. No, it's not April. It's April. April. May. June, July, August, September, not September, but it's September, October, November, and the last one is December, which is my birthday month. आपका बर्थडे मंथ कौन सा है? आपका फेवरेट मंथ कौन सा है? नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताइएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.